In the end, it's always better to be safe than sorry, ika nga. Para di ka na nagdadalawang isip kung kukuha ka ng car insurance, think of the importance of car insurance as an investment more than an expense that you will immediately benefit from. Hi, this is June Fernando from Ramfer Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. Hanggang ngayon ba ay iniisip mo pa din kung kailangan nga ba talaga natin ng car insurance? Lalo na't kung maingat ka namang magmaneho? Well, you might think that having a motor car insurance is just another expense. After all, you may feel frustrated that you paid for a year's policy but again didn't get something in return. Yung bang pakiramdam mo ay bayad ka na lamang ng bayad at wala namang bumabalik sa iyong kahit anuman? Ironically, that's a blessing pa nga, di po ba, na dapat maging thankful for. Not making any car insurance claims also means na safe ka at di ka kabilang sa mga taong nakaka-experience ng road accidents maya't maya. Ngunit sabi nga po nila, di po ba, you can't always prevent accidents. Hanggang kailan ka makakaiwas sa mga ito? Sabi nila, mahirap iwasan ng mga aksidente but you can protect yourself financially if or when it happens. Bukod po sa mga common na alam nating benepisyo nito, in this video po, pag-uusapan natin ang 5 importanteng dahilan kung bakit nga ba natin kailangan ng car insurance. Kaya naman, wag na po nating patagalin pa. Number 1, car insurance kasi is required by law. Every registered vehicle in the Philippines must get at least a basic compulsory third-party liability or CTPL car insurance. Ang policy na ito protects you from any possible liabilities to a third party, meaning any person other than a passenger, a family member, or a household member of the vehicle's owner. Kasama na din ang physical injuries at pagpanaw. Ang CTPL ay isa sa mga requirements before you can register your car with the Land Transportation Office or LTO. Usually po, ang mga may-ari ng mga bagong sasakyan don't need to worry as much for at least mga 1 year dahil karamihan po ng mga paborito nating car dealers ay nililibre po ito sa unang taon upon purchase of a new car unit. And so the second purpose is number 2, which is it protects you from theft. The importance of vehicle insurance shouldn't be ignored, especially when hundreds of cars are stolen yearly. Ilang beses nyo na rin pong narinig ang nakawan ng mga sasakyan sa neighborhood natin, di po ba? Miski na nga po sa mga parking lots na lamang ng mga malls ay talamak pa din ang mga ito. Talagang it's a possibility that everyone should be preparing for. Kung ang kotse mo ay nanakaw or na-vandalize, your insurance company can cover your losses for this. Your policy can actually cover repairs on damages, katulad na lamang po ng mga basag na salamin, sirang mga locks at ignition systems. Depende sa premium mo, the insurance provider can also cover the current value of your car. The next purpose is number 3, which is it covers damages caused by natural disasters. Alam niyo ba na on the average ay may 20 tropical storms ang nararanasan ng Pilipinas kada taon and around 5 of which are destructive. Ang baha o mga malalakas na hangin na dulot ng ulan ay maaaring makadamage agad-agad ng ating mga sasakyan. But with auto insurance, you don't have to worry as much. Kasi nga po, ang auto insurance natin covers damages caused by these kinds of disasters, easing the financial burden you might carry in times of crisis. Sa usaping car insurance, ang mga tinatawag po na natural disasters are known as acts of nature or acts of God. Depende po on how the insurance company defines the term. An act of nature or act of God is generally any incident or peril out of a human being's control. Katulad na lamang po ng volcanic eruption, lindol, landslide, baha, and even civil commotion. And so moving on, the next purpose is number 4, which is saving on upfront expenses. Isa pang mahalagang purpose o benepisyo ng pagkakaroon po ng motor car insurance ay maaaring di ka na kailangan magbayad pa for repairs and even hospitalization in the event of an accident. Ang ilan pa nga po sa mga insurance companies can cover the passengers at minsan ay sinasagot din po pati medical expenses ng mga ito. Your policy may also cover the vehicle's damages. When you and your vehicle experience any trouble, simple lang ang pag-claim ng benefits nito. Ang kailangan mo lamang gawin ay tawagan ng inyong insurance provider and make a claim. And last but not the least is number 5, which is security and peace of mind. Kung may mangyaring aksidente sa iyo o sa kotse mo and wala kang car insurance, you have to shoulder the expenses for car repairs and medical bills. Paano na lamang kung malaki ang gagastusin mo dito and enough lang ang monthly budget mo for your expenses? Apart po from spending money on such costs, you may also feel emotionally stressed at isa po yan sa pinaka-importanteng na i-address ng pagkakaroon po ng car insurance dahil iba ang sense of security mo pag alam mong kahit ano pa mang mangyari ay may sasagot sa iyo or kahit papano may katuwang ka sa gagastusin mo. Pag nagmamaneho ka, iba pa rin po kasi ang nabibigay na confidence at peace of mind ng pagkakaroon po ng car insurance dahil alam mo that you and your car are covered at all times. In the end, it's always better to be safe than sorry, ika nga. Para di ka na nagdadalawang isip kung kukuha ka ng car insurance, think of the importance of car insurance as an investment more than an expense that you will immediately benefit from. So there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa simpleng video na ito. If you have friends or relatives who might be interested of these kinds of contents, I hope you can share this video with them. And for those who haven't pa din po, we do hope you can subscribe to our social media channels, TikTok and YouTube, Ramfer Financials, dahil pag lumaki po ang ating community, that also means ay mas marami rin po tayong pwede pang matulungan pang tao. Muli po, ito po si Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, for your continued support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless mga ka-RFF.